Good morning, everyone, from Sea Spots Farm in North Carolina. Cool, crisp day today, 30 degrees. And we've got our buddy Darla, our French Bulldog. Oh, good morning. This is Kelso and his ladies. These are our egg-laying girls. We have these girls' eggs for breakfast. And this is what we call Chicken Town. We just put this in last year. And in the background is... Hi, Cassie. Feeling a little fresh this morning. Woo! Hi, girls. How we doing today? This is Angie. These are yelling Appaloosa fillies. Hi, Cassie. We feel in the morning? Yes, I know, Kelso. They're feeling the coolness too. But again, they were in all day yesterday because of the pouring rain here. Yeah, let's go turn on that electric fence. Doesn't do any good really unless the zap is in the electric. So, oh, let's fix this. Make sure that's, oh, it's on. Woo, I didn't realize it was on. Just got a zap. Let's check it. Yep, it's on. Oh, this is Kelso, by the way. He's a laughing chicken, a Ketawa. We breed those here. But his little harem here are our laying chickens. Like I was saying, they are got these at Tractor Supply, these girls. Whoa there, sister. Yeah. Did you just break the water? I see it leaking. Watch the mud. Okay, as I was saying, these girls are were Tractor Supply girls. They were oh, this is our shop, by the way, in the barn. In the aisle. Oh, looks like we've got a leak in the water. Oh, yep. Broke the thing off. Not good. Whoa there, ladies. Oh gosh. All right, well, we're gonna have not too much water soon. All right, Darla, that's enough. Well, that's today. Oh, nice sun. It's nice to have the sun. But that's our first video. And I think we'll do some more. This is our little farm. We've got a couple acres here in North Carolina. And we'll see you soon. Bye.